Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top meme stocks, or really the top Reddit stocks. Now, we all know the site WallStreetBets, and they are notorious for calling out stocks like GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and all of these stocks have pretty much gone parabolic. Now, what stocks are they calling out right now? That's what we're going to be breaking down in this video. So really the top meme stocks and top Reddit stocks to buy. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall I hope you guys get something of value out of this video. And overall, if you guys do, check out my course, because I do have a course. You guys can learn how to properly invest in the market. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about taxes, dividends, REITs. We pretty much talk about it all. I'll put a link to that down below, and you guys can use promo code dividends to get 50% off. Yes, 50% off. So make sure you guys at least check it out. It'll be the first link down below. So now, here we go. The top Reddit stocks. Roll the intro. Let's go. Come on. Bam. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock that I want to talk about that is being called out right now by Reddit and the WallStreetBets community is the one and only Palantir, PLTR. You guys can see that this, just by looking at it, is a pretty volatile stock. It does go up and down at pretty rapid rates. Now, I think they love this one so much, to be honest, because of the given sell-off, and that just brings a lot of opportunity to invest in the overall market here. And I really think this one has some strong support near 17, and it's slowly pushing its back up to this resistance at 24. So with it being $20, I think that this is pretty much just an undervalued point for this stock. And not to mention, a lot of hedge funds are actually shorting this, so I think that they're trying to do another short squeeze, very similar to what they did with GameStop. We can pull up GameStop stock here so you guys can see that. But you guys can see that they had this huge short squeeze going from around 15 all the way up to almost $500 sold off. And the funniest part is they did it again. They did it twice, and I think that's really crazy that they did that. But moving on to stock number 2 is Microvision, ticker symbol MVIS here. Now, Microvision is they create sensors for autonomous vehicles, and this is by far one of WallStreetBets' favorite and highest buying stock is this in late April. So I really think that this one brings a lot of opportunity. You guys can see the overall charts are pretty volatile. It does go up and down at pretty rapid rates, but it does have some pretty hard support near $11 and some resistance near 24. So with it being 14, you could technically hop into it, set your stops below 10, risk $4 to possibly make $10. The year to date on this thing is crazy at around 169%. So I think that this is just another one that a lot of Wall Street, and a lot of Reddit users are really looking forward to, because they're in the electric vehicle space, which is highly sought after already. And this is just a company that, is absolutely killing it, in the past couple of weeks here, guys, which is fantastic. Now, another company is ticker symbol RKT. I know you probably seen this one. This one is notorious for the volatility. You guys can see it does have very hard support near and around the $17 mark. You guys can see it comes in contact, once, twice, 3 times. Now 4 times. So with it selling off that much, that just brings a lot of opportunity. And look at the highs here. You guys can see where they did that other short squeeze, making the stock go parabolic, and then they paid out a dividend of $1.11. So the year to date on this one is right at around negative or minus 13%, which definitely is more of a volatile growth stock for sure. And honestly, one of the main reasons why they like rocket companies is because of the name Rocket. They always want their stocks to go where? To the moon. So it's actually really funny that they did that. And I think that, not to mention, rocket companies is a decent company. It could be a little overvalued in the short term, but honestly, the fundamentals on this aren't too bad. And so I think that's really, really crazy if you ask me. But this is just another one that's being highly sought after right now by the Reddit community. Now, another one here that I want to talk about is Corsair Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR here. Now, look at this. This is more of a sluggish stock, yes, but it does have a solid growth. You know, lows here at 14, highs here at 51. It has sold off, but definitely found support near that 200 moving average line. So I think with it being right at around $30, this just brings a lot of opportunity. It's right on a support. You could set your stops below it at 29, risk $2 to possibly have this thing come up to, $43 would be the next resistance. Next one after that's at 47, then 51. So look at this gap here that this thing could easily move. I think that this is just a beautiful one to at least hop in at. It does have little more risk for sure because the year to date isn't too great at minus 9%. You guys can see in the past year it's just kind of sold off a little bit. But the net income still is at around $103 million. So this company brings in a lot, but this is just a beautiful investment. If you ask me, it's definitely more risky, but all right, the last and final company, well, is it a company or is it a cryptocurrency, is the one and only Doge coin. This is by far the most sought after investment from the Reddit community. Now, this is being talked about by pretty much everybody, whether you're a beginner investor, whether you are the most experienced investor out there. Elon Musk himself really wants to make Doge a currency that you can buy Teslas with. So you guys can see this thing was literally under 6 cents a couple months ago, and it hit highs here at 72 cents, selling off quite a bit down to 39 today, but it's still up 14% right now. But this is being sought after because this is literally the definition of a meme cryptocurrency. This was made to actually make fun of cryptocurrency, and it's actually worth more than Honda, more than a ton of car companies, more than a ton of companies in general. And so I really think that is absolutely hilarious. And, this is definitely more of a riskier investment. All of these are risky investments, but they're fun. So I would recommend buying them for sure, but you have to be smart with it. Don't go heavily in it. Make sure you guys have a base of ETFs, some blue chip stocks, and don't put, more than, 5% or 2% of your portfolio into some of these companies because the risk level is very, very high. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the top Reddit stocks and investments. We will see you guys later. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, and don't forget to check out the course, and we will see you guys later. Take care. Bam.